Our writable surfaces are made from strong materials, such as tempered glass and enamelled steel. With proper cleaning, they can be used every day for decades. To clean, you will need a spray bottle, a microfibre cloth, and an eraser. If your board is new, fill your bottle with fresh water and spray the surface. Wipe clean with a microfibre cloth and leave to dry. For everyday use, clean with a Lintex eraser. Remember to change the cloth on a regular basis. This is to prevent old ink from smudging your surface. If your surface is heavily marked, clean with water and a microfibre cloth. If this is not sufficient, use a dedicated whiteboard cleaning solution. Don't use any kind of detergent. This will leave an invisible film on the board, making it difficult to erase. Enjoy a perfectly clean writing surface.